Welcome to the wonderful world of belly dance with me, Melissa Bellydance. This is a purpose-built course designed for complete beginners looking for a detailed breakdown of techniques. This course is based on my syllabus, my style, and my method. The context of this course focuses on belly dance movement. I invite you to join me on a journey of inner discovery through movement and the healing feminine art of belly dance. Discover muscles you never thought you had and learn to move in ways you never thought you could in my supportive, encouraging, and informative belly dance classes. In this Introduction to Belly Dance course, we will cover a breakdown of the belly dance warm-up, the belly dance warm-up, post-class stretches, glute contractions and their importance to belly dance technique including knee drops and variations, tummy pops, vibration shimmies, hip circles and hip circle variations, figure of eights and figure of eight variations, hip drops, hip lifts, side hits, chest isolations, arm and hand positions, and drills and combinations. My belly dance classes are a great challenge. Build your fitness, tone your body, and improve your confidence in my self-empowering online courses. I'm well known for my modern style and my mentor style teaching methods. Once sign up to the course, you can contact me for help and advice or to simply share your progress with me. I look forward to seeing you in class. Bye.